am so excited to share with you that this video is a collaboration announcement. I will be collaborating with Talisha of Creativiteebyt here on YouTube. I am so excited that I get to work with her a second time on a collaboration. Our last collaboration was the Mimi G dress, and I am also happy to say that our next collaboration is another Mimi G's dress. I feel like that is our thing, just trying out the Mimi G collection, because if I hadn't done my collaboration with her earlier this year, I would have not sewn a Mimi G project. So we are going to be making a Simplicity S9329. Here it is. As you guys can see, it has some dramatic sleeve and a beautiful open back. It's so cute, it's very sexy, but it can definitely be modest. If you don't want to have a lot of your body showing, you can definitely add a lace panel by probably adding a button on the inside and creating a panel to button or hook there. So that is an option if you're like, I don't want to do that, I think I want to do something else. And I think this is such a pretty dress. Now it comes in two lengths, so there is this above knee length and there's also the below knee length. It all depends on your personal preference. Let's take a look at the fabrics that is needed for this project. You can use denim, poplin, linen blends, cotton blends, taffeta, satin, rayons. You'll also need extra fabric if you're going to be matching any plaids or anything that has intricate details that sort of look like they line up. You're going to need to buy extras for that. I would most likely make a size 12 in this, and for my size I will need to probably buy about 4 yards. I'm not sure which one I'm going to make, so I'm just going to round it off because that's kind of how I operate when I buy fabric. Anyway, back to this collaboration. We are hoping to reveal this project probably the second week in September. So I am so excited to share with you my fabric that I'm thinking about using. I have two. One is from Zulufa and then the other one is from Mood. Now the one from Mood has less fabric. It's a cotton poplin. I've shared this in one of my Friday sews. It's really pretty. It's got a really nice hand to it, and it also has a lot of structure. So it's going to hold up nice for that big sleeve, and it's not going to be too flimsy or too flowy, but it will definitely keep shape. And I think this is a really nice option. The other fabric, the one from Zuluf, is just really pretty. I shared this one a few weeks ago or a month ago, and I really like it. So I'm thinking this is what I will go with because it's just so pretty, and I just love all of the embroidery going on here. I think it's going to make a really lovely dress. So tell me what you guys think. Do I go with the Zulufa fabric or do I go with the Mood fabric? Because they're both beautiful. They definitely both have their own thing going on. It also has a lot to do with what sort of feel that I want to get out of this dress. I love that this dress is super sexy, but I feel it's going to look really, how can I say, demure if I go with any one of these designs. I feel like I want to wear a hat with this dress when I do the reveal, but I don't know if it will look good. But I just feel like it's just going to be such a fun dress. I want it to be fun, and so slash cut. The dress is super sexy, and I want that still to be the feel, but I want it to be also very feminine. So like I see like there's certain types of sexy. I see like there's a lot of like tough sexy, and there's a lot of like super overflowing everything sexy, but I want this to be like just subtly beautiful, classical sexy. I know using the word classy can be like, oh really? That's really classy. But I mean, I want it to be just something that oozes polished and sophistication that's beautiful. So it's sexy without being too sexy. And I feel like this sort of fabric is going to give that feeling. I just don't know which one works well. I wanted to have that sort of country feel. It's just a really mix of moods that I want to get out of this dress because I think it's so fantastic. It's just a really nice dress. I think the project is going to turn out great, and I don't know what Talisha has in store. I don't know what fabric she's going with, so we will see. But check her channel out. She has really nice projects. I love her fabric choices. They just work so well. I just love how she puts her videos together, and it's just like a really cool bond that we have when we're talking about fabric and putting pieces together and putting these videos together and creating pieces that we love and that definitely brings out our personality, and hopefully that can shine on to you guys so you have a wonderful day after you've watched our videos and you're motivated to get into your sewing space and create beautiful things. I think the most wonderful thing we can do is create things with our hands and enjoy them because we have poured our soul into them and all our hard work, and it just shows when they're completed. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know I talked a lot. Hopefully you get some nugget of awesomeness out of what I've been saying. The project is going to be beautiful. I can't wait to share it with you guys, and head over to her channel and check out her video. I'm not sure if she's doing an announcement or not, but once the videos go live, I'm going to also leave a link to her completed project in this one. So have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like what you see, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're new. And if you are subscribed and haven't turned that notification bell on, what are you waiting for? I do try my best to be here weekly, so turn it on and just be on the lookout for more videos. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you real soon. Bye bye. One more thing. So you guys know that the back is really deep with a V. I was thinking maybe I might make a square neck in the front. Don't hold me to it. I'm thinking. Talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.